In the heart of lush rainforests and across sprawling savannas, a remarkable group of creatures captivates our imagination. The primates. From the smallest mouse lemur to the mighty gorilla, primates exhibit an array of fascinating behaviors and social structures. Their world, while familiar in some aspects, holds a unique allure, inviting us to explore its wonders. Prepare to embark on a journey of discovery as we unravel the mysteries of the primate world. From the bustling forests of South America to the African plains, we will encounter creatures both familiar and strange. The primate order encompasses a staggering variety of species, each uniquely adapted to its environment. From the diminutive pygmy marmoset to the imposing mountain gorilla, primates showcase nature's boundless creativity. Some primates, like the spider monkey, possess long prehensile tails that act as a fifth limb. Others, such as baboons, have adapted to life on the ground, their powerful limbs built for traversing open savannas. Despite their differences, all primates share certain characteristics that unite them as a group. Imagine waking to the sounds of the forest, the air alive with the calls of birds and the rustling of leaves. For many primates, this is the soundtrack to their daily lives, a symphony of nature that accompanies their search for food and social interactions. Social interactions play a crucial role in the lives of most primates. Grooming serves not only to maintain hygiene, but also as a vital form of social bonding. As the day draws to a close, primates seek refuge in their sleeping sites, often high in the trees or on cliff faces. Looking into the eyes of a chimpanzee or observing the playful antics of a group of monkeys, it's hard not to feel a sense of connection. Scientists believe that primates and humans diverged from a common ancestor between 85 and 65 million years ago. Studying primates offers us a unique window into our own evolutionary past. By observing primates in their natural habitats, researchers gain valuable insights into the evolutionary pressures that shaped our ancestors. Their behaviors, social structures, and cognitive abilities offer a reflection of our shared past. Primates, like humans, are profoundly social beings. Their lives are intricately woven with the threads of complex relationships, alliances, and hierarchies. Observing a group of primates, one is immediately struck by the constant chatter, gestures, and physical contact. Through a combination of vocalizations, facial expressions, and body language, primates convey a wealth of information. Despite their differences, all primate societies share certain fundamental elements: cooperation, competition, and the constant negotiation of social status. While primates may not communicate with the complex syntax and grammar of human language, their communication systems are remarkably sophisticated. Consider the piercing alarm calls of vervet monkeys, which vary depending on the predator spotted. Beyond vocalizations, primates are masters of non-verbal communication. Chimpanzees use a variety of facial expressions, including grins, pouts, and bared teeth, to convey emotions. The study of primate communication provides fascinating insights into the origins of human language. Family ties run deep in the primate world. For many species, the bonds formed between parents and offspring, as well as among siblings, form the bedrock of their social structures. Observe a mother orangutan gently cradling her infant high in the rainforest canopy. Among some primate species, such as marmosets and tamarins, fathers play an active role in raising their young. The bonds formed within primate families extend beyond the immediate parent-offspring relationship. The rainforest echoes with the joyous sounds of laughter, or at least the primate equivalent. Young monkeys chase each other through the trees, their playful antics a flurry of acrobatics and mock aggression. For primates, as for humans, play is an essential part of growing up. Play serves a multitude of purposes in primate development. The laughter and shared joy of play strengthens social bonds, creating a sense of camaraderie and belonging within the group. Primate societies are complex and dynamic, with individuals constantly vying for resources, mates, and social status. Dominance hierarchies play a crucial role in maintaining order within primate groups. Alliances and coalitions can shift the balance of power within a group. The ability to recognize and respond to the subtle cues and signals that govern social interactions is essential. This ongoing social dance is a testament to the remarkable intelligence and adaptability of these fascinating creatures. For centuries, humans have been captivated by the intelligence of our primate cousins. Early observations of primates in the wild offered only a glimpse into their cognitive world. One of the most striking revelations has been the discovery of tool use in a variety of primate species. Further evidence of primate intelligence comes from studies of their communication systems. The more we learn about our primate cousins, the more we realize how much we have yet to discover. Chimpanzees use twigs to fish for termites, sticks to extract honey, stones to crack open nuts, and leaves to sponge up water. These behaviors are learned and shared within communities, passed down through observation and imitation. Orangutans also use tools like sticks to extract seeds and leaves as umbrellas. Capuchin monkeys and macaques use stones to crack nuts and smash shellfish. These behaviors highlight the cognitive sophistication and adaptability of primates. Imagine coming face to face with your reflection for the first time. What would you see? The mirror self-recognition test explores self-awareness in animals. A mark is placed on the animal's face while it is unaware. If it touches the mark while looking in the mirror, it recognizes itself. Great apes, some dolphins and magpies show this ability. These findings suggest a sense of self and higher cognitive abilities. The rustling of leaves, the chirping of insects, the calls of distant birds. These are the sounds that fill the air as a young chimpanzee encounters a problem. A delicious treat, perhaps a piece of fruit or a juicy grub, is nestled tantalizingly out of reach, hidden inside a complex puzzle box. What will the chimpanzee do? For researchers studying primate cognition, puzzle boxes have become an invaluable tool for investigating problem-solving abilities. By designing tasks that require a combination of dexterity, spatial reasoning, and an understanding of cause and effect, scientists can gain insights into the cognitive strategies that primates employ to overcome challenges. Some puzzle boxes require primates to manipulate latches, levers, or sliding doors to access a reward. Others involve using tools such as sticks or stones to reach food items hidden in tubes or compartments. Still others test spatial memory, requiring primates to remember the location of hidden rewards after a delay. Through careful observation and analysis, researchers have documented a remarkable range of problem-solving strategies employed by primates. Some individuals rely on trial and error, persistently trying different approaches until they stumble upon the solution. Others exhibit a more methodical approach, carefully observing the puzzle box and seemingly planning their moves in advance. The ability to solve novel problems, to adapt to changing circumstances, and to learn from experience is a hallmark of intelligence. Primates, with their diverse repertoire of problem-solving strategies, demonstrate a remarkable capacity for flexible thinking and adaptability, traits that have undoubtedly contributed to their success in a wide range of habitats and social environments. The future of primate cognition research. As the sun sets, scientists studying primate cognition are left with more questions than answers. Each discovery unveils greater depths of complexity. New technologies provide unprecedented insights into primate cognition. Combining tools with long-term studies, researchers are poised for groundbreaking discoveries. One promising avenue focuses on the evolutionary roots of human language. Comparing communication systems of different primate species reveals the building blocks of human language. Another area of interest is primate social cognition. Researchers investigate how primates navigate social hierarchies and form alliances. These studies shed light on the evolution of human social behavior and cooperation. The study of primate cognition challenges our assumptions about intelligence. Exploring primate minds deepens our appreciation for life's complexity and our place in evolution. From the emerald canopies of tropical rainforests to the sun-drenched savannas of Africa, primates have made their homes in some of the most diverse and challenging environments on Earth. Each habitat presents its own unique set of opportunities and obstacles, shaping the evolution of primate species in remarkable ways. The rainforests of South America, Africa, and Southeast Asia are teeming with a dazzling array of primate species, each adapted to life amongst the trees. Spider monkeys, with their long limbs and prehensile tails, swing effortlessly through the canopy, while gibbons, masters of brachiation, propel themselves from branch to branch with astonishing speed and agility. In contrast, the African savannas, with their wide-open spaces and scattered trees, have favored primates adapted for life on the ground. Baboons, with their powerful limbs and keen eyesight, roam the grasslands in large troops, foraging for food and keeping a watchful eye out for predators. Patas monkeys, the fastest primates on Earth, rely on their incredible speed to outrun danger. Even the rugged mountains of Central Africa have become home to primates. Mountain gorillas, with their thick fur and stocky builds, are well equipped to withstand the cold temperatures and challenging terrain of their high-altitude habitat. Their close-knit family groups provide warmth, protection, and social support in this demanding environment. From the steamy jungles to the arid savannas to the cloud-kissed mountains, primates have demonstrated an extraordinary ability to adapt and thrive in a wide range of habitats. Their diversity is a testament to the power of evolution to shape life to fit even the most challenging of environments. The natural world is a symphony of adaptation, where each species plays its unique role. Primates, with their remarkable diversity, are shaped by natural selection. Consider the aye-aye, a nocturnal lemur in Madagascar. Its long middle finger taps on trees to locate grubs, a marvel of adaptation. Combined with large ears, it exploits food sources few can reach. In dense rainforests, primates have evolved to navigate dimly lit worlds. Nocturnal species like bush babies have large eyes to see in darkness. Their slow movements and camouflage help avoid predators. In arid environments, baboons and macaques face water scarcity. They conserve water by concentrating urine and extracting moisture from food. Behavioral adaptations like resting in shade help them cope with heat. From tree-dwelling limbs to water conservation, primate adaptations are diverse. These adaptations highlight life's remarkable ability to survive adversity. The forest comes alive with the sounds of rustling leaves and chattering calls as a troop of primates embarks on their daily quest for sustenance. Foraging, the art of finding and consuming food, is a fundamental activity for all animals, but for primates it requires intelligence, ingenuity, and social savvy. Primates exhibit a wide range of dietary preferences, from herbivorous gorillas consuming leaves to omnivorous chimpanzees eating fruits, nuts, insects, and small mammals. This dietary diversity is reflected in their foraging strategies, each species employing unique techniques. Frugivores must remember fruiting trees' locations and ripening cycles. Insectivores face different challenges, needing agility to catch fast-moving prey. The eye uses its long finger to tap trees, listening for grubs. Foraging is often a cooperative effort, highlighting social intelligence. As the day ends, primates retreat to their sleeping sites, content with their day's foraging. Dawn breaks over the rainforest, casting a warm glow on the canopy as a troop of primates stirs from their slumber. Their days are a tapestry woven with foraging, socializing, playing, and navigating their social hierarchy. The forest echoes with their calls, a symphony of communication. Grooming strengthens bonds, maintains hygiene, and reduces stress. Playful antics help hone social skills and maintain physical prowess. As dusk approaches, they retreat to their sleeping sites high in the trees. The rhythm of life in their wild world continues, a testament to adaptation and social bonds. The sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and purple as a family of orangutans settles down for the night. Their world, a vibrant tapestry of life, depends on a delicate balance, increasingly threatened by human activities. Primates play a vital role in maintaining this balance, acting as guardians of the forest. As seed dispersers, they ensure the survival of countless plant species. Their foraging helps control plant populations and maintain biodiversity. As prey, they influence predator-prey dynamics. Beyond ecology, primates offer insights into human behavior and evolution. Their intelligence and social interactions fascinate and inspire us. Protecting primates safeguards entire ecosystems and the balance of life on Earth. Their survival is linked to our own, urging us to become better stewards of our shared Earth. The tranquility of the forest is shattered by the roar of chainsaws, the once lush landscape giving way to barren scars. For primates, this loss of habitat is a death knell, depriving them of their homes and food sources. The threats they face are multifaceted, pushing them closer to the brink. Habitat loss, driven by agricultural expansion, logging and mining, is the greatest threat to primate survival. Primates are forced into shrinking fragments of their former ranges, becoming isolated and vulnerable. The illegal wildlife trade, fueled by demand for exotic pets and bushmeat, poses another grave threat. Primates are particularly vulnerable to poaching and trafficking. The capture of infants, often involving the killing of their mothers, is a cruel and unsustainable practice. Climate change adds another layer of complexity to the challenges facing primates. As their habitats change, primates are forced to adapt, often with limited success. The threats to primate survival are real, urgent, and interconnected. Addressing these challenges requires a multifaceted approach. The fate of primates and the health of our planet depends on our collective action. Amidst the sobering realities of primate conservation, glimmers of hope emerge from the tireless efforts of dedicated individuals and organizations. Their stories offer inspiration and a roadmap for future conservation efforts. In Brazil, the golden lion tamarin is making a remarkable comeback thanks to habitat restoration and reintroduction efforts. In Rwanda, mountain gorillas thrive due to anti-poaching efforts and community-based tourism. Organizations combat illegal wildlife trade through law enforcement and public awareness campaigns. These success stories remind us that primate conservation requires sustained effort and collaboration. As the forest is enveloped in darkness, we contemplate our role in the web of life. The fate of primates is linked to our choices and actions. The time for action is now. Each of us has a role in primate conservation. Support organizations protecting habitats and promoting sustainable development. Advocate for stronger environmental policies and increased conservation funding. The future of primates depends on our collective action. As we've journeyed through the world of primates, we've encountered a breathtaking tapestry of diversity, intelligence, and resilience. From the smallest mouse lemur to the mighty silverback gorilla, each species has captivated us with its unique adaptations, intricate social structures, and remarkable capacity for learning and problem solving. Their world, a symphony of sounds, colors, and movements, has reminded us of the boundless creativity and wonder of the natural world. We've witnessed the tender bonds between mothers and infants, the playful antics of youngsters honing their skills, and the quiet dignity of elders observing the rhythms of their social groups. We've marveled at their agility as they navigate the rainforest canopy, their strength as they forage for food, and their ingenuity as they devise solutions to the challenges of their environments. The primate world, though often challenging and unforgiving, is also a place of great beauty, intelligence, and resilience. Their stories have transported us to distant lands, introduced us to extraordinary creatures, and reminded us of the interconnectedness of all living things. As we carry these images and stories with us, let them serve as a source of inspiration, wonder, and a renewed appreciation for the remarkable diversity of life on Earth. For in the eyes of our primate cousins, we catch a glimpse of our own evolutionary past, a reflection of our shared heritage, and a reminder of our responsibility to protect the natural world for generations to come. Looking into the eyes of a chimpanzee, witnessing the playful curiosity of a monkey, or observing the quiet strength of a gorilla, it's impossible to deny the profound connection we share with our primate cousins. Their behaviors, emotions, and social interactions resonate deeply within us, echoing our own experiences and reminding us of our shared evolutionary journey. We see ourselves in their capacity for joy and laughter, their expressions of empathy and compassion, and their moments of grief and loss. Their social structures, with their complex hierarchies, alliances, and conflicts, mirror the dynamics of our own societies, highlighting the challenges and triumphs of social living. Their intelligence, demonstrated through their problem-solving abilities, tool use, and complex communication systems, challenges our traditional notions of human exceptionalism, reminding us that we are not alone in our capacity for thought, creativity, and innovation. Primates offer us a unique window into our own evolutionary past, a reflection of the forces that shaped our ancestors and continue to influence our behavior today. By studying their lives, we gain a deeper understanding not only of their place in the natural world, but also of our own. As we've delved into the fascinating world of primates, we've also been confronted with the sobering reality of their vulnerability. Habitat loss, climate change, the illegal wildlife trade, these threats, driven by human activities, are pushing many primate species towards the brink of extinction. Their future and the future of the ecosystems they inhabit depends on our actions. The challenge before us is great, but so too is the opportunity. By working together, we can make a difference. We can support organizations dedicated to protecting primate habitats, combating poaching, and promoting sustainable development. We can make informed choices as consumers, refusing to support industries that contribute to deforestation, habitat destruction, and the illegal wildlife trade. We can use our voices to advocate for stronger environmental policies, increased funding for conservation efforts, and greater awareness of the plight of primates. Education is key. By sharing our knowledge and passion for these remarkable creatures, we can inspire others to join the fight to protect them. The fate of primates is inextricably linked to our own. Their survival depends on our commitment to conservation, our willingness to change our behaviors, and our resolve to create a more sustainable future for all. Let us embrace this responsibility, not as a burden, but as a privilege and an opportunity to ensure that these extraordinary creatures continue to grace our planet for generations to come. As darkness descends and a peaceful night falls over the rainforest, imagine the gentle rustling of leaves as a family of primates settles down for sleep high in the canopy. Picture the soft hoots of owls, the chirping of crickets, and the distant calls of other nocturnal creatures, creating a soothing symphony of sounds. The day's adventures are over, and a sense of tranquility envelops the forest. The primates, their bellies full and their social bonds reaffirmed, drift off to sleep, their dreams perhaps filled with images of ripe fruit, playful chases, and the comforting presence of their families. As you too prepare for sleep, let your mind wander to these peaceful scenes. Imagine the gentle rhythms of the natural world lulling you into a state of relaxation and rest. Let the worries of the day fade away as you embrace the tranquility of the night. May the stories of these remarkable creatures fill your dreams with wonder and inspire you to appreciate the beauty and fragility of our planet. And may you wake up feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to embrace a new day filled with possibilities for making a positive difference in the world.